Hey people, so this particular series called Stranger, that you can see on Netflix, is been set in Europe, and it's one of the most gripping mysteries that I've ever seen on Netflix. It's like really, it's just at another level. So it's basically based on a novel, and by Hobart Coben, some a name like that, and but really, yeah, I mean, like actually, thanks to drone cameras these days, every shot in a movie can be so beautiful. So this particular series, when you watch it, no, it's breathtaking life in Europe, and the cute little houses they stay in and all, cute little sprawling houses. But this movie is very intriguing. It's not movie, it's a series, so try and catch it, people. It's called Stranger, and you will find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.